Blessed Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce here, Bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I want to talk about the easiest, the most effective way to make $1 million. And as you can see by the title, this is going to be, you can do it with literally $5 a day. I'm kind of like, I feel some type of way in a sense because a lot of people don't realize how easy and simple it is to make $1 million. People are working standard jobs and they're working, you go to school and just think, okay, let's work hard, let's get a job, and eventually retirement, and hopefully I make enough money to do this and go on a vacation every now and then. And they're kind of just strolling through life, and they don't really teach us how easy investing is. And they don't show us, okay, you just do this and voila, you're a millionaire. And I feel like they keep this from us because they feel like, okay, if everybody had this information, everybody would be millionaires and everybody wouldn't want to kind of fall in line and be some standard, work hard and work in my company and stuff like that. So part of me thinks it's kind of conspiracy in a sense where they keep this information from us because they want to keep us ignorant. But at the same time, I want to give this information to y'all because y'all watch the channel, and on this channel, we're here to make millionaires and people that live successful lives. So this is the $5 a day, how to make $1 million on $5 a day. So the standard way people think to make a lot of money is to save. Saving money is probably one of the worst ways to make $1 million. If you have a high income where you're making $500,000 a year and then you live on 50,000, hey, you can do it in a couple years. You can aggressively save and make $1 million in a couple years. But the standard Joe is not making $500,000 a year. Most people are making $50,000, $40,000, $60,000 a year. So for those people, it's going to take a lot more time to get to that point. And you only saving $10,000 a year isn't going to cut it. So the best thing to do is invest. What you need to do is learn how to invest and consistently invest in the market. And you can literally do this for $5 a day. So what you can do is put $5 down. And what is $5? $5 you're going to be spending on anything. You could put $5 into a gas tank. You could put $5 into a lottery ticket. You could put $5 into a coffee. You could put $5 into a plethora of things that we do on a daily basis. And it's really easy to say, okay, $5, we're going to put it aside and use it for something else. And what you're going to do with this $5, you're going to invest it. And what are you going to invest in? You put $5 in, what is it going to be? It's going to be $18.25 on the year. So looking at it, it's not that big. It's less than $2,000 on the year. But what you're going to do is consistently invest in the market. The S&P 500, the overall market has gone up consistently about 7%. If we're going back to the history of the S&P, the beginning of the history of the S&P, it's gone up about 7% every year on average. Yes, it's had its down years. We're currently in a down year right now, but the previous year we had 30%. The year before that, we had like 20%. We're looking at the averages. So on average, it goes up 7% every year, even with the ups and downs of the market. So we invest in it and we take our 7% return and are able to grow our money. So after we put $1,800 in on the year, it's going to grow. And what's going to happen over the next 50 years, if we consistently put in $5 every day into the market, we're going to put it into blue chip companies. We're going to put it into quality companies. I recommend the S&P 500 because what you're going to get large quality companies. You're not going to get the trash. We want to stay away from trash companies, and look up the term blue chip stocks. Those are the stocks that you want to invest in. These are solid companies. They're not going anywhere. These are the Walmarts of the world. These are the Amazons of the world. These are the Teslas. These are the big name companies that have shown they can turn a profit. They've been profitable for many years, and they're not going anywhere. And they're 9 times out of 10, they're going to spin off a return on investment when you invest in them. That's what you want to stick with. So put in $5 a day into these companies or into the S&P 500, and then you're going to consistently grow your money over time. It's going to take you about 50 years with $5 a day because you're putting in $1,800 on a year, but you will become a millionaire in 50 years, and you can set yourself up where you're having a decent and healthy retirement without spending serious money. If you want to do it more aggressively, I know a lot of people want to go in and spend, put maybe $100 in a day, or $200 in every week or something like that. Yes, it will happen a lot faster for you. You can make $1 million a lot quicker, but this is a simple and effective way where you can literally make $1 million just on something you would spend on a lottery ticket or on a coffee. This is the best way to do it. They should have taught us this in school. They didn't. They disappointed us, but I want to give you all this knowledge now. So if you have any questions on how this is done, let me know that in the comment section down below. But that's going to wrap it up for the video. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message.